Hello, fifth grade. I had really hoped that we weren't going to have to do any of the test study guide this way, but stuff happens. So this is the year where we learn to roll with things. So today is Monday for you all. It's Sunday for me. I told you on Friday that you needed to have the part of the test study guide finished. The part of the test study guide that I want you to have finished by today is what we're going to check today on this video. Then on Tuesday, we will check some more of it. Wednesday, we will do some reviewing and stuff. Thursday will be the test. Friday will be a simple solutions quiz. So that's kind of the way this is going to go. So now let's start on the actual test. As far as the test goes, sneak peek first, super quick. First part is multiple choice, followed by the modified true-false, where you'll write true if it's true. If it's not, you'll write what you would change the underlined word to make it true. Then you have, the only map you have is the same one that you had on the quiz that you took on Tuesday. Where you have to tell me the different temperature zones, climate zones, frigid, temperate, torrid, temperate, frigid. Then you have short answer. Then you have multiple choice. Then you have a short answer, but this short answer is different. This short answer, you're going to either answer Sparta or Athens for every one of them. And then you have a discussion or kind of like an essay question. So let's turn the camera around and start working on the test study guide. Get rid of this. And one, I said, using studying Geography Facts 11, you are going to define these terms for me. Torrid. Torrid means scorching. Temperate. That is the climate zone that is neither too hot nor too cold. Climate. Weather conditions of a region over a period of many years. Weather. Conditions such as temperature and precipitation, which change from day to day. And precipitation. The amount of rain, snow, sleet, etc. an area receives. Then, who was all the work in Sparta done by? So that's extra question 1. That's a question that's not on the test study guide anywhere, but it is on the test. And all the work was done by the Helots, but I'm trying to figure out what kind of question it is. Of course, I'm not going to be able to find it, so. But all the work was done by the Helots. Extra question 2, which is actually, that's the extra. All of this up here was 1. This is extra question 2. Who was all the work in Sparta done by? All the work was done by the Helots. And then 3, which alphabet did the Greeks You know, if computers just automatically did what I wanted to do, it would be amazing. Which alphabet did the Greeks borrow and add vowels to? And that is the Phoenicians. Then B1. B1, Bard. Bard is a singing poet. Let's see exactly what's on the test. Any singing poet is called a bard. And the question about all of the work in Sparta was done by the Helots. That's a modified true-false. The Bard question is a modified true-false. Finally found that one. B3. City-state. In ancient times, Greece was made... How's it put the S on was made up of independent cities called city-states. That's also a modified true-false. B4. Democracy. Athens was a democracy. And it is the word that comes from two words, meaning people and rule. B5 is phalanx. Let's see here. This is also a modified true-false. A large group of foot soldiers armed with shields and spears and trained to move together. C1. The body of water that cuts Greece almost in half. That is the Gulf of Corinth. C3. The peninsula Greece is located on is the Balkan Peninsula. So, that is what the answers to what you should have done for Friday. That's exactly what's on the test. By tomorrow, you need to have D, E, and E done. We'll just go with that. So by tomorrow, you'll need to have D and E done. Let's see here. Today's Monday. So today, you'll do Simple Solutions 91. Let me turn you around. There we go. So today, you will do Simple Solutions 91. You will check the part of the test study guide that you should have done Friday that we just did. That's what